Okay, good day everybody, or whatever time of day it is over there. My name is Jason, and welcome to a video tutorial where we'll be looking at the user interface of Affinity Designer. Now, quickly going to these menus I have here. These are your menu bars. If you want to create a new document, you want to open an existing document, or probably you want to open something you've already worked on before. I have worked on a couple of stuff, so that is why you have these options here. Now, on the edit portion helps you to, as you can see, you can read it by yourself. You can see a lot of stuff. You can go to your preferences and make some little changes to your document. So when you're working with texts, you have stuff like this. You show the characters and the rest of them. So when you're working with layers, layers is related to this particular spot here. So we don't have anything working on now. That's why you have this layer inactive. Effects are inactive. The styles are partially active, but just because they are colorful. So you have textiles and you have stocks. Now all these are all panels. So you have these panels for color, panels for paragraph, panels for swatches. Swatches are colors related also. Strokes are when you're working with probably the pen tool. This is a pen tool. You're working with the pen tool. So quickly, these are your menu bars, as you can see. Then these tops are your personas. When you go about personas, personas are like work environments. When you want to make graphic designs, let's say logos or illustrations and a couple of stuff. So everything you see displayed here will be the tools you can be able to use, or the work environment that supports everything you want to do in the design persona. Now, if you go to the pixel persona will have to also change the whole work environment, and this is where you get, you have some additional assets here. As you can see, you can import some of all these assets into your designs or your work or your job you're working on, and that's how it goes. Then you have the export persona. You can see everything about the interface changes. You can see the tools also reduces. So in essence, we'll come back to your design or designer persona. You get everything that you see here. So quickly running through, we have the menu bars, which I've already explained. As you can see, we have them like so. Then this is your tools panel. So these are your tools panels. When you choose to work on designer, every tool that you see available, everything in the interface is what you use. You choose to use the pixel persona, the whole environment changes. If you want to export, you see everything like so. So we now have context toolbar. The context toolbar always exists down here. If you click on any of these tools, so it will not work right now because, as I said, many of all the things are inactive. So quickly creating something new, let's click on A5 and say create. So now if you click on any of these tools, these are your tools, but everything you see here is your context toolbar. So it tells you more about what tool you've picked and some additional things it can actually do, and some things you can actually work on. So if I should click on this fill tool, you can see this is your context toolbar. If you click on this rectangle tool, you can say, okay, what do you want what color do you want for this? You can give it red, right? And you can stroke it with this. Then probably your text, you click on your text, you can see it asks you which of the font styles do you need, what is um, the level at which you want it. Do you want it narrow? Do you want it regular? Do you want it bold? And so on. What's the point size? You want it 288. So it's just the formattings of your text. So this is your context toolbar. So as I said, coming to the right hand side, you have your panels. These are your panels. These are your panels. These are layers panel. But that's just basically what the user interface looks like in Affinity Designer. So follow on as we continue in this video tutorial.